There are many stories about Pilsner Urquell. Today, we'll tell you about the brewing process. The brewing process was always fiercely protected by the brewery workers. During the Great War, they even managed to hide the original copper brewing pan and save it from the requisition. They did the same during the Second World War. In 1970, the brewery was supposed to switch from copper pans to stainless steel. Thanks to the resistance of the brewmaster and his people, the traditional process survived. The pans stayed in place. Brewing Pilsner Urquell is an intricate process where everything has to be done just right. We never change it just to make things easier. To brew our beer, we need 3 ingredients: Czech malt, Žatec hops, and soft Pilsen water. We also add a unique Pilsner Urquell yeast culture, identical with the yeast Joseph Groll used 175 years ago. A lot has changed from that day, but our beer is still the same. It is the original Pilsner Urquell.